Welcome to Beyond from Start STEM Early.
Hands-on learning brought to you. We started Start STEM Early over 4 years ago, and now we are a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to providing STEM education with an audience of over 7,000 students worldwide.
These students come from some of our widely successful online programs that teach STEM-based skills with real-world projects.
In order to bring our organization permanently into the physical and digital world, our newest venture has become Beyond.
Beyond contains 2 parts. The first part is our curated courses. The courses contain cinematic quality video lessons with step-by-step guides, animations, and easy-to-follow instructions that guide you to completing each project in the course. These courses are based around curriculum that is tailored towards young students and that have been refined over years of teaching. And now, the best part, the Beyond Kit. The Beyond Kit contains all the materials needed for the course so that a young student can complete full-fledged projects as they go through the course on our online platform. To put it simply, Beyond pairs hands-on learning with cinematic and comprehensive video content to deliver the best experience for any STEM student.
Young students need a new way to learn.
With a medium that allows them to go beyond what is taught in the classroom.
Because that's what we are here to do, right at your doorstep.